My name is Joel Bertrand, and this recording is for my EET 402 capstone class final project. I'll be using a laptop, some components here, 3 transistors. They are NTE 123AP, 3 resistors, 330 ohms, 3 LEDs, they're 3 volts, and I'll be using a buzzer, the Dragon 12 Plus board, the DB switches to turn on the power that will supply the breadboard. And I'll be using a cup, filling that with water. Okay, let's go back over to the Dragon 12 Plus board. First, I will be connecting the transistors. The first transistor I'll connect to the board. And I have a wire going from the collector to the glass, as you can see on the board. Then the next transistor, I'll be doing the same thing. The third transistor, then I'll be connecting the LEDs. As you can see, the LEDs have a long and a short. If you can never remember what the long and short ones are, one is the cathode, one is the cathode. And if you look on the LED, you'll see a flat spot, which you will connect to the negative. And that is the shorter end of the LED. Go ahead and connect that to the emitter of the transistor. Then we'll do the same with the next LED. And third LED we will connect. Now we will connect the resistors, the 330 ohms, to the base. Okay, although all the components are on the breadboard, now we will connect the buzzer. Take the green alligator clip, go to the emitter of the third transistor. Then we'll take the white alligator clip to the ground. Okay, so now with everything connected, we get empty glass. And the purpose of this project is that we'll be measuring for water level in the tank, which we have the wire on the left here will detect the water in the tank, the bottom. The second wire here on the right will detect the minimum level. The third, the middle wire, will detect the middle of the tank. And the last wire here will detect the maximum height. So pretty much when we start adding water, the first wire will detect it and the second wire will turn on the LED. So we got our glass of water. And first of all, we got to turn the power on. So we'll turn the power on. Yeah, power. So now we will start pouring the water. As you hear the water pouring, we're to the first wire. And the second wire is on. And you see the LED light up. Then we'll go to the third wire. The LED light up. And when we go to the very last, the third LED lights and a very sick buzzer. So, okay, buzzer going off, showing the tank is full. So pretty much when you want to start emptying the tank and the water starts going down, the third LED goes out and the buzzer stops. And once the water keeps going down, eventually it'll hit the midway, and the second LED went out. So when it gets all the way down, eventually turn off the first LED. So this is, and to turn off the power, just hit the DP switch and everything turns off. And this is my final project for the EET 402 class.